Okay, let's do some spray paint picture art. What I did was sit my stuff where I wanted it, and then I'm gonna start spray paint. Okay? Okay, so I have my different colors I'm gonna use, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray them, and then I'm gonna use my bag right there. I'm gonna start with this. I got some khaki and some seaside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray my khaki. Make sure I get this whole canvas where I wanted it. Okay. And then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna hit it with the blue right on top of that khaki. The seaside. Hit it right on top of that. Then I'm gonna take my little crinkled up bag and I'm going to take it off. All right. Okay, and I'm gonna go to my second two colors, and I have the blue, midnight blue, and the satin slate blue. I'm sorry. So I have slate blue, and I'm gonna put that down first. Then I'm gonna put the midnight blue around on it. I'll get it down. This is a canvas, so act like it ain't sticky. So what I'm gonna do for this canvas is drinking up all this paint. And I'm gonna take this same bag and I'm gonna flip it inside out so I won't be using up all my bag. Inside out. And this one I'm gonna put on there and I'm just gonna drag. Okay? Now I have my yellow and red and I'm gonna do that in this corner right here. And it's not gonna be that big, so I'm doing a little yellow right here. Then I'm gonna put some red on top of it. Then I'm gonna take another bag, because that one is full of paint and stuck on the bottom of my shoe. I'm gonna take another bag. And I'm gonna, okay. Then over in this corner, well, I think that's about enough. I'm gonna take my black spray paint now. And it's just some Canyon satin black. And I'm gonna spray around all of them, okay? Just like that. I'm gonna leave it just like that and let all of this dry. And I'm gonna do my whole canvas black. Okay? Just the sides and stuff, so when I put it on the wall, it's gonna look awesome. Okay, for this one, I just want to do different color stars, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try that glove thing that one of the guys do, where he spray paints in his hand, and then he puts it on there. So I'm gonna do gold. I'm gonna try to do gold. Let's see. We're gonna see if I can do it. Shasha, shasha. Boy, I gotta learn how to tell these stories. Like the color I'm gonna do, let's do some, let's do some fluorescent. Let's see if that's gonna work. Let's see if I need to change gloves. We'll see. So I got some fluorescent green. Okay, let's try some yellow, fluorescent yellow. Okay. So this is what my glove looking like now. Try some of this yellow. I don't know how much of it's gonna look different than the green. Hopefully it will. Uh-oh. I'd like to take this time to thank you all for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow, subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. Again, thank you. Okay, let's round this out. Okay, now I'm using the white to throw a little, I guess a little glow behind the planets. I'm not the best of it. I should have sprayed on the round containers and just let it kind of shadow over it. So you will see me covering up the white a couple of times with the black, trying to get it right. So what I finally decided to do was just use some fluorescent green paint and kind of put a sheen on the top, and oh my God, it made it look awesome. Even kind of camouflage my mess up with the white. I'm gonna get that. There we go. Now I like that. The green film in it. So let's pull it off and see what we got. No color coordination. I'm gonna take off this one. Oh my goodness, that looks great. Ooh, awesome. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Now I need to put my name on it. Leave this out to dry. And then I take it in the house. Yes. That looks so good. Looks great. Even after I messed it up about 50 times, it looks awesome. So I guess this is just an art thing. It's hard to mess up art things. Oh my goodness. Double moons. Okay, we're here at my craft table, and this is the first painting that I did, the spray paint art. And this is my second one. I know stuff I need to work on, like that white shadow thing. I don't even know how to do it, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I got double moons and whirls and stuff. And I will say, that's my refrigerator, ice maker. I'm just using the paint that I have. This one I messed up so many times and went over it, but I think what I did at the end, I love that green haze over there. Yeah. I got to work on that little white around the planets thing, because right here, I didn't even have white. I didn't know where it was, and I put the rose gold. Absolutely too big. But this one, I got it almost right. Probably should have went around a little bit, but I'm going to get it. But these still pretty. They still pretty. Oh, yeah. Welcome to my craft table.